He had did a wonderful job on this car, man. Very clean. Look at that. What it do, y'all? It's your boy Fierro Boy 86, and I'm coming back with a brand new video for y'all. So in today's video, we're actually heading out here to a car show. If y'all do not follow me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat, please do so at Fierro Boy _86. Also, please hit that subscribe button and that bell for your boy, because you already know I ain't doing nothing but running it up. Also, please drop some big fat lights up on this video, y'all, because, hey, man, I ain't just running it up. Y'all coming with me, man, most definitely. So right now, we're actually heading out here to Gazeebo Burger to go check out this car show. And I heard that it used to be like a lot of dope cars out here. So I'm actually going out here right now to go check it out. Just go see what's happening out here. This out here is gonna be my first time. I was supposed to be going out here to Gazeebo Burger a long time ago, but I ain't get a chance to make it. So I'm actually going out here today to go check out the cars, see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? See what type of cars they got. You know. Also, hey, your boy is a champ, y'all. Hey, for the second time in a row, your boy is a champ. Hey, I won first place yesterday. You know what I'm saying? So most definitely, man, I'm just so happy, bro, to be winning with Mitty, my Fierro. For all like the newer subscribers, if you have not checked out my videos, please go back and watch my videos. You also end up meeting Mitty. You know what I'm saying, which is wonderful. I tell y'all, man, she's been a blessing in disguise. Y'all feel me, man? Like, for real though, like, she's been clowning, you know, and I cannot wait to get done with her, you know. Most definitely. Well, I will be seeing y'all when I get out to Gazeebo Burger. All right, y'all, so I have made it out here to Gazeebo Burger. And I tell y'all, they got some really dope cars to be early in the car show, y'all. So I'm about to get ready to show y'all right now. So right now, we actually got a Pontiac GTO, which is so clean. Look at this thing. Very nice. I like that, man. That right there is clean. Very dope. All right, y'all. Then we have this clean Ford coupe right here, which is nice. Look at this thing, man. Clean. Ooh-wee. Then we also got this clean Ford Bronco right here, which is nice. Clean engine right there. Very dope. Look at that thing. Very nice. Very clean right there. Very dope. Like that right there. Very clean. Then we also got this clean Z28 right here, which is nice. I do like the Z28s, y'all. I think the Z28s are off the chain. Look at that. Clean Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 right here. Which is nice. It is a 442. Which is nice. Then we have this clean Mustang right here. Ford Mustang Supercharged.
It all depends on the light.
But I like if my name was Eva.
He's going to be in a Cobra, y'all. Oh, he ready. Got the racing seats up on there. He ready.
Give me a thumbs up.
Then we have this clean Bug right here that it is for sale, y'all, which is right there. Clean right there. This is all the new stuff that he done to it. It's also being pulled by this Ford Ranger right here, which is clean. I like Ford Rangers, y'all. Then you also got, hey man, so I want you to let me know a little bit about your car, man.
It's a 32 Ford 3-window. It's a
Okay.
fiberglass body.
Okay.
It's just been a work in progress.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Well, y'all, he go his clean car right here, which is nice. I like that engine. That engine is wonderful. Look at that engine, man. It's amazing. Look at that peanut butter interior. I always gotta have that, you know. There's what's up, man. Yeah. So I want you to let me know a little bit about your car, man.
Well, as you can see, it's a 1934 Ford. I got a 383 stroker in it,
Okay.
and it's all steel.
Okay.
I just love it.
Yeah, there you go, man. All right, y'all. So this right here is this car right here, which is very nice. Hey, y'all, he had did a wonderful job on this car, man. Very clean. Look at that. Very nice. Very clean. Very nice. He had did a wonderful job on this. I like this. This right here is nice, y'all. Yeah, hey. Then we got this clean lead sled right here. Hey man, y'all gotta love the lead sleds, man. Y'all got to love these lead sleds. Very clean. I like the interior on it. The interior is wonderful. This clean Ford Roadster right here, which is nice. This thing, man.
But I'll tell you something.
Then you also got this clean Delta 88 right here, which is nice. Look at that, man. Delta 88. So this is how it started, y'all. And this is what it looks like now. Then we have this clean Challenger right here, which is nice. Always so clean, you know what I'm saying? Always some dope cars. There's the RT. All right, y'all, so that right there will be the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share up on this video, because y'all already know I ain't gonna do nothing but bring y'all dope bangers. Please let me know what other car shows would y'all want me to go to in the future, as far as, you know what I'm saying, as far as cars that you want to see, because eventually, y'all, I want to go to like some of your bigger car shows, like for real though. I want to be able to go to SEMA. I want to be able to go to like some of your bigger car shows, man. Some of your national shows. I want to be able to go to those, definitely. Well, it's your boy Pharaoh Boy 86. How we do it? Oh, it's a bird. Oh, it's a plane. No, I just left the car show and I'm